Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nur Shakira and I'm here on behalf of my group to present our group presentation regarding Joy Mom's Cookies. So before we begin, let me briefly introduce my team members, which is Azim, Shakira, Irina and Irfan. So each of us will cover different parts of the topic to give you a complete overview, and we hope this presentation will be informative and engaging. For the first part is the background of the company. For our group, we had chosen Joy Mom's Cookie. Joy Mom's Cookie is a homegrown Malaysian halal certified freshly baked cookie brand from Johor, which is known as JMM Cookies. It is based at Jonker Street, Melaka, and is known for daily fresh pineapple tarts and a range of cookies. Joy Mom's Cookie is registered as a private limited company. The business began as a trading company in 2005. In 2016, it is officially incorporated as a limited liability company named JMM Cookies Central Berhad. The owner's capital is around 300,000 ringgit, and its business activity focuses on cookie and festive treats production.
Now let us move on to characteristics of the business. For the unlimited liabilities, due to manufacturing their cookies, they need to buy natural and healthy ingredients to produce them. They also have to pay salaries, transportation costs, and packaging expenses. For the sole proprietorship, it is owned by JMM Cookies Sendirian Berhad. And for the capital, it is contributed by JMM Cookies, founded and established as a trading company. Now for the management and control, it is managed and controlled by JMM Cookies Sendirian Berhad. They manage salaries, expenses, wages, inventory, transportation and delivery. Last but not least is profit and loss. If the company earns profit, it will belong to the company and the selected branch. If the company loses, they will still take responsibility.
Classification of business item, we have 6, which is assets, property owned by a business. Current asset is assets that can be converted into a cash within a year or that are now in cash. And the third one is non-current assets, assets that must be used in the operation rather than for resale and have a useful life of more than a year. As an example, machines, baked ingredients and packaging. For the fourth one, we have capital, which means funds that the business's owner has invested in it. And second is firm was established as a trading corporation after being founded. And the fifth one is a capital baking machine for industrial that costs at least a total of 5,000 ringgit. Majority of the items that the company brought into the business were high quality as well. For the last one, we have current liabilities, which is the sums that businesses owe and are anticipated to repay within a year. The amount owed to suppliers for the dough and baking suppliers should that be paid. Pay the salaries that the company due their unpaid. Last but not least, we have revenues and expenses. Revenues is the significant rise in owners' equity brought about by commercial ventures undertaken with the intention of making money, which is Joy Mom has consistently laid aside at least 2,000 ringgit per day, meaning that her total earnings come to over 60,000 ringgit. Open seasonal booth during Hari Raya in Selangor, Sarawak and Johor. For expenses, the price of goods or service used in the process of generating revenue. To cover costs such as machinery, pay rent for the shop that they runs monthly that cost 3,000 ringgit. Pay bills every month amounting to 100 ringgit and 5,000 for dough, cookie ingredients and machine service. Joy Mom also has to pay 1,700 each for his employee salary and wages.
Assalamualaikum and very good day to our sir, which is Sajali. I'm Nurfa Edina, so I will continue my part, which is recording process of the business. JMM Cookies maintains both digital and manual system so that the financial management is correct and efficient. The company is a cookie shop situated at Jonker Walk, which is owned by Mr. Eugene as JMM Cookies Sdn Bhd uses both the manual accounting books and automated accounting system. This mixed system enables them to maintain a good record of the sales and purchases made on a day-to-day basis, and the transactions are also entered on a daily basis. Other than that, the accounting department mainly controls the accounting process and suggests and realizes the system and the process, as well as provide samples of financial reports and suggestions. Specifically, the accounting unit has a manual ledger and computer system that it utilizes and recording and tracking capital, expenses, and preparation of financial statement. And last but not least, the manual and digital recording system go hand in hand and provide a comprehensive and realistic recording system that is able to record both the small scale and the large scale transactions, so that although the technical recording and preparation are carried out mostly by the accounting department, the control and the final say concerning financial records lies within the jurisdiction of Mr. Eugene. Okay, next then I will continue the strength and weakness of the Joy Mums company. The Joy Mums company have two strengths, which is dual system and daily updates. Dual system, which is it provide a failover to technical errors or problems and make sure that none of the valuable data is lost. Then the daily updates, the accounting department does daily update, which means that the financial information is always up to date, and hence Mr. Eugene can be able to make sound decision on behalf of the business. The weaknesses of the Joy Mums company accounting. They have three weaknesses, which is weaknesses in the system, technical skills of the accounting department, and the manual record are not regularly updated. Weaknesses in the system, which is one of the main pitfalls, is that manual and digital records should be perfectly timed to eliminate inconsistencies. This is labor consuming and one needs to be watchful all the time to avoid going wrong. Next, technical skills of the accounting department is essential to the process, and therefore any errors or omission can be crucial consequences. And last but not least, the manual record are not regularly updated. This happen, chance of error are likely to occur, and this may jeopardize financial reporting. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, the case of Joy Mum Cookies manifests the features of a sole proprietorship in operation where the entire responsibility and authority are concentrated within the company that owns it. It is pure business orientation, strategic positioning, and also hybrid recording system are part of its strength that make it stable and effective in its operation. But it has to maintain its systems carefully to maintain growth.